What are the issues that are happening in commercial real estate right now in New York City that no one is talking about? The process of getting approvals. New York City is inundated with applications and filings to the Department of Building and all of the other authorities when it comes to development, construction, and renovation that are just being stuck in a funnel. It is impossible to get a project done without not just an expediter, but an expert level expediter of different capacities. I recently had a deal of a client who was in the Bronx and they were looking for fire inspection. You would think that'd be standard. File the applications, provide all the plans, do the work, and hey, they're going to give you an appointment to get your plan approved. No, it took nearly, I want to say 10 months to just get an appointment for them to come into the building and do that inspection. How is someone supposed to develop when they have costs associated with holding these assets? Every month, there's a new mortgage. Every month, a new bridge loan may be expiring. Every month, there's additional capital and resources that are going to go into human resources and all these other factors of developing. If you're in New York City and you want people to build here, why not mitigate these risks by making these processes more streamlined? I'm not an expert on governing. I'm not an expert on creating the solutions for this. But when do we have the real conversations around truly aligning the development process and the approval process? Because the only way we're going to make more money, the city as well, is if we truly marry the two. So, what do you think? How can we improve the process here in the city?